Greetings, citizens. My name is Begezela Maplanka. I am very much excited and grateful that yesterday I had an opportunity to donate medical books at Mpilo Hospital. We value and prioritize education as knowledge is power. As a community leader and a citizen, we are committed to give back to our community for the sake of development. The purpose of donating these books is to assist our children and make sure that they have enough resources to use. As we all know, the situation in our country is not favorable. Some of our children drop out of school because of lack of school fees and stationery as well. We build our country for greatness and development under the alternative and capable leader, our visionary, President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. We believe in giving, we believe in loving, as we all know that the Bible says, blessed is the hand that gives. We shall continue to give where necessary. Thank you.